Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into one of WhatsApp's exciting news feature, instant video messages. This feature elevates your chat experience and I'll guide you through every step of using it. Step 1. Update your WhatsApp. To access this new feature, ensure your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. Open your App Store or Play Store. Search for WhatsApp. If available, update the app. If you see open, your app is already updated. Step 2. Activating instant video messages. Open WhatsApp. When in a chat, look for the microphone button, typically used for voice messages. To activate the video message feature, give the microphone button a quick tap. It will switch to a camera icon. Another tap switches it back to the microphone. Step 3. Recording your message. After activating the video message feature, ensuring you see the camera icon, press and hold the camera icon. Swipe up to start recording. A countdown begins. A timer circle appears, indicating the recording time. You have up to 60 seconds for your video message. You can toggle between the front and the back cameras during recording. Release when you're done recording. Step 4. Sending the video message. Once recorded, the video message is ready to be sent. Tap the send icon, and your video will be dispatched to the chat. What is the beauty of this feature? The video autoplays when the recipient receives it, offering an instant experience. For an in-depth view with audio, tap on the sent video. Hello! WhatsApp is rolling out this feature gradually, so even if your app is updated, you might have to wait a little while before you access this feature. And that's how you use WhatsApp new instant video messages feature. Stay connected in dynamic ways. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next tutorial. Bye-bye.